juice? What up, bro? How you feeling, bro? Can't complain, man. My bummy. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Glad you doing good, brother. Glad you doing good. Thanks, man. Whoa. What's up? What's up? You see this girl over here, juice? Hold on. Shit. Bruh. I guarantee you I get her before you get her. Nah, bro. Put your money down. Let's go. Hey, wait up.
Girl, I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, yeah. Girl, you fine without a doubt. You deserve a ticket really right now. What's your name? I'm about to jot the shit down. And where your mama at? Cause she to blame now for popping you out and making me proud. Finna get lit, I'm finna get loud. Cause you got me high, walking on clouds. Come through the house, make up all on my couch. I wanna turn up with you and just live a bit. A real friend with benefits. Breaking necks when we walk the strip. All these eyes might as well take a pic. Cause they ain't never seen what it's like to live. Pick out whatever you want, cause I'm on my job and I got nothing else to lose. If it's money, then money will come, yeah. I feel like you got it, you know that you do, yeah. Keep rocking with me, I keep rocking with you, yeah. Let's live in the moment, there's nothing to lose, yeah. Get lost in reality, don't it sound cool? I told you if you keep it up, then you mine. We don't got rush, mama, we can take time. Anything we do, we gon' catch that vibe. I can tell by the way you looking at me with the eyes that you really with the shits and you wanna get down. We can show the world how's the buy sound. I'm up with the flight now, first class profound. You can get it all, little baby, let's go now. One question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, oh yeah.
I told you this shit a few times. Really hard to keep you off of my mind. I'll find time even though I'm busy. Tryna link up next time I'm in your city. If you with me getting litty, we can drink a fifth and hit a yoga class and find our bliss. I've been waiting for you when your class is missed. We can skip it all again and just live a bit. Cause I don't wanna fall in love, I'm not yet. Feeling your vibe is like blessed. Why don't we just get undressed? Skip all the bullshit and kill all the stress. If it said I was such a mess when we first started talking, honestly put all that shit in a coffin. Lost in the dark, can we do it again? And again and again. I'm just saying I want it, I need it. Been feeling for someone like you. I'm meaning to tell you the truth. How you get in here some move from all of the things that you do. Fuck up with thinking, let's move. Still I've been thinking about you, but damn, I never change. You still been on one, always sitting in my brain.
I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, oh yeah.
What up, juice? What up, bro? How you feeling, bro? Can't complain, man. My bummy. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Glad you doing good, brother. Glad you doing good. Thanks, man. Whoa. What's up? What's up? You see this girl over here, juice? Hold on. Shit. Bruh. I guarantee you I get her before you get her. Nah, bro. Put your money down. Let's go. Hey, wait up.
Girl, I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, yeah. Girl, you fine without a doubt. You deserve a ticket really right now. What's your name? I'm about to wanna try to sit down and wait on my man, cause she to blame now for popping you out and making me proud. Finna get lit, I'm finna get loud, cause you got me high, walking on clouds. Come through the house, makeup all on my couch. I wanna turn up with you and just live a bit. A real friend with benefits, breaking necks when we walk the strip. All these eyes might as well take a pic, cause they ain't never seen what it's like to live. Pick out whatever you want, cause I'm on my job and I got nothing else to lose. If it's money, then money will come, yeah, yeah. I feel like you got it, you know that you do, yeah. Keep rocking with me, I keep rocking with you, yeah. Let's live in the moment, there's nothing to lose, yeah. Get lost in reality, don't it sound cool? I told you if you keep it up, then you mine. We don't got rush, mama, we can take time. Anything we do, we gon' catch that vibe. I can tell by the way you looking at me with the eyes that you really with the shits and you wanna get down. We can show the world has to buy sound. I'm up with the flight now, first class profound. You can get it out, little baby, let's go now. One question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, oh yeah.
I told you this shit a few times, really hard to keep you off of my mind. I'll find time even though I'm busy, trying to link up. Next time I'm in your city, if you with me getting litty, we can drink a fifth and hit a yoga class and find our bliss. I've been waiting for you when your class is missed. We can skip it all together, just live a bit, just live a bit. Cause I don't wanna fall in love, but not yet. Feeling your vibe is like blessed, why don't we just get undressed? Skip all the bullshit and kill all the stress. If it said I was such a mess when we first started talking, honestly put all that shit in a coffin. Lost in the dark, can we do it again? And again and again, I'm just saying I want it, I need it. Been feeling for someone like you, I'm meaning to tell you the truth. How you can enhance the mood from all of the things that you do. Fuck up with thinking, let's move. Still I've been thinking about you, but that might never change. You still been on one, always sitting in my brain.
I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, oh yeah. I wanna turn up with you and just live a bit. A real friend with benefits, breaking necks when we walk the strip. All these eyes might as well take a pic, cause they ain't never seen what it's like to live. Pick out whatever you want, cause I'm on my job and I got nothing else to lose. If it's money, then money will come, yeah, yeah. I feel like you got it, you know that you do, yeah. Keep rocking with me, I keep rocking with you, yeah. Let's live in the moment, there's nothing to lose, yeah. Get lost in reality, don't it sound cool? I told you if you keep it up, then you mine. We don't got rush, mama, we can take time. Anything we do, we gon' catch that vibe. I can tell by the way you looking at me with the eyes that you really with the shits and you wanna get down. We can show the world has to buy sound. I'm up with the flight now, first class profound. You can get it out, little baby, let's go now. One question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip. I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit, yeah. Cause I've been on one and two makes the perfect trip, oh yeah.
I told you this shit a few times, really hard to keep you off of my mind. I'll find time even though I'm busy, trying to link up. Next time I'm in your city, if you with me getting litty, we can drink a fifth and hit a yoga class and find our bliss. I've been waiting for you when your class is missed. We can skip it all together, just live a bit, just live a bit. Cause I don't wanna fall in love, but not yet. Feeling your vibe is like blessed, why don't we just get undressed? Skip all the bullshit and kill all the stress. If it said I was such a mess when we first started talking, honestly put all that shit in a coffin. Lost in the dark, can we do it again? And again and again, I'm just saying I want it, I need it. Been feeling for someone like you, I'm meaning to tell you the truth. How you can enhance the mood from all of the things that you do. Fuck up with thinking, let's move. Still I've been thinking about you, but that might never change. You still been on one, always sitting in my brain.
I have one question, are you interested? All I need to know right now is, are you into this? If you're about it, then let's get lit.